All right, Richard Blaze, go do it. Go do that again. Go sing again.
No, not right now.
Come on, please. That's why I got the camera out.
I can do it.
Do it like you were on your head.
We're gonna do it like that. Ah! Ouch! Ouch!
Don't kick Mommy or she'll get you.
หยิบขามันนะทีนี้นะนี่ต้นโทษเนี่ยหยิบกระต้นโทษมันนั่นนี่